What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Marlon here. If you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today I just wanted to give you guys a brief update on what I've done to my 987.1 Cayman. First of all, let's start with the front. Recently just installed this 3-piece front splitter. It is an Inter Series 3-piece front splitter from Getty's Design. I will be linking their website in the description below. Basically, it's made to order, so you call them, let them know if you want fiberglass or carbon fiber. They do everything from splitters to rear wings to doors, you name it, anything race related. So make sure you guys give them a check out if you are interested in any of their pieces. Another thing I've done to my car so far is it is sitting on H&R lowering springs as well as wheel spacers. I'll show you guys on the inside what I've done to the inside. We have an Alcantara GT3 style shift knob. In the future, I will be getting an Alcantara steering wheel. That is soon to come. And I also want to talk to you guys about what my future plans for this car is. I will be adding a cup car style rear wing to this car, as well as I'm going to take out the H&R springs and replace them with coilovers for better ride height, as well as update the spec on my wheels. I will be getting new wheels, so if anyone's interested in these stock Cayman wheels, I will be putting them up for sale very soon. When I get to that next stage, I will be updating the rears to 275s and then 255s in the front to give it a better wheelbase for taking corners and things like that, as well as an exhaust tip. That's what I'm probably going to end up doing, and maybe a diffuser. I'm not very sure. I just wanted to update you guys on what I've done so far to my Cayman. I know I haven't been posting a lot of POVs lately, but there is a POV soon to come. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.